Just to show you the new style Mercedes, certainly in this Mercedes, which is the new Actros on a 68 plate, the trays are a little bit different. They don't just, they're not slots, they're little trays, and when you're first looking for them, if you've never come across them, there is no slot as such, you can't see anything. So what you have to do, hold whichever one it is. This is, in this case, it's drive one, and the tray, and if I can just tilt it, pops out a little bit, and the front little lip just bends down. Look, it's on a little plastic hinge. Be careful because it's not very strong. It's very light plastic, but that gives you enough access to get your card in. And then it's just the same as normal. Face down or chip up, whichever you want. And it just a bit awkward while I'm trying to show you how to film it as well. And it just sits inside, two little bits on the edge to stop it coming out, and then the tray front just clips back up and it presses in as normal, and away you go. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.